You got to use context when trying to play a breakout. You had a few things, and this is not something that you should not have known. Everybody should know that there were a couple daily highs on October 5th and 6th in this particular video, which was a few weeks ago at around 20 even. Yesterday's high was 22 even in this particular session. Then we run up from the open, and look what we do. We put the consolidation tops right there at those multiple day highs. You have to know that people who are short will say, I'm okay as long as it's below 22.20. There's buy stops above there, and your market's price is going to fish for them. But using that context and bringing it in, kind of like a bullseye or a target, bringing it into the when moment of for the first, the first thing is so you're not trapped short. The second thing is to get on the right side. Stay off the wrong side, get on the right side. So you could see where this is a box and this is the top, not just of this particular first 30 minutes, but those other multi-day highs I just spoke about. Now watch this though. Watch what happens on this tool that we have here, the chaser, where gray inventory essentially above where price is sell inventory. I want you to watch as I play it, as it sneaks above these multi-day highs. We stop it. Boom. We shrink all the way up. The white kicks out, which is buy inventory, sell inventory shrinks down. That in and of itself is very, very helpful. But then when you use it in context with what we just spoke about, where you've got people who are short thinking, I'm fine. And then they, above 22, then I'll try to get out. And then they try to get out and there are no more sellers there, or a lot less sellers. For price to go up in any environment, for any product, for any service, you need more buyers and less sellers. You need both. It's not helpful to have both. It's imperative to have both. It's necessary to have both. So when you play it again, this inventory, boom, to get lifted, there's a little bit there. They lift it. It's all thin in there. And they just eat through there because it's literally buyers putting out their hand, looking for a seller, and there's no one to shake their hand. And it never looked back in this particular session. And now you get buyers. This is an iceberg chasing it up. But it goes back to, if you don't know why price moves, you'll never be able to predict it. More buyers, less sellers.